The Air Jordan 1 Low SE Red lipstick brings a bold yet elegant twist to the iconic Jordan silhouette, blending rich reds with premium textures for a standout look. This special edition pair creates depth through layered tones, from Team Red to Sierra Red, balanced by smooth satin accents and detailed stitching. Its low-cut profile enhances the fluid lines, while the deep red outsole adds dimension with every step. A bright red outline swoosh and a subtle Jumpman on the tongue elevate the design without overpowering the palette. What sets this colorway apart is the playful kiss mark motif on the box, insole, and heel, turning the classic model into a collectible statement piece. Inspired by 1980s hoops culture and modern streetwear, the red lipstick blends tradition, artistry, and personality, making it a must-have for sneaker lovers searching for unique style and high visual impact.